Get him, DR. Get him. Come on, DR.
I thought you were the best.
He's getting you. You gotta get him. Oh. Oh, you're getting him, DR. Oh, he's almost out. Oh, he's down.
I did it on 1 foot.
Oh. Oh, he's getting up. Wait till it says fight. Now go.
Yeah.
Wait, get your foot out of the car. No, keep going. Come on, he's getting you. You're gonna be knocked out.
No, Mommy, because my hand's sweaty like that. So I'm not boxing.
You're gonna lose.
Well, I'm tired of boxing.
All right, get your foot out of there. What do you want to play now? Hey.